Hey guys, Digital David here. Today I'm going to be doing a follow-up video to this pop-up drain stopper. I finally got installed and got around to doing this follow-up video, so I purchased this off Amazon and love it. Here it is in action. I'll do a little water for you too so you can see it. It works great. This is an awesome pop-up drain stopper, so really happy with the purchase. And now I'll go ahead and I'll show you a different angle of it as well. Here's the underside of this wall mount sink that I have, and so you can see it from the bottom. Really easy to install, no complications at all. I did use some plumber's putty just to make sure it wouldn't drip or leak down at all. So really happy with it. Go ahead, check out the link in my description and see for yourself why it's such a great pop-up drain stopper to have. So really happy with it again. Thanks for watching, and let me know if you have any other questions to this follow-up. Thanks.